What the hell is that?
Well, good morning. It's just about sunrise at the moment. It's 7 o'clock and it's very quiet apart from these birds you can hear. So the shot I've set up has a little tiny bit of mist. And it's going to be a clear morning, so I don't think it's going to last very long. It's only going to be a mad 15 minutes or so, just trying to find a good composition. What are those birds? Are they red kites or something? I don't know. I'll probably find out when I get home. Do a bit of research. We get a lot of red kites around here in the Chilterns, so it wouldn't surprise me. So let's come back in a few minutes and see what it looks like when the sun's come up. So I've just changed my composition slightly, just moved forward so I can see more of the wood in front of me. Just seen some deer running through. This is quite funny. You can hear this thing coming, you think, what is it? Oh, it's a couple of deer. Anyway, so yeah, I've got this scene set up. There's a tree on the left there in the foreground. I can do some things with this. I can zoom in to those trees in the background there, see if anything happens. Yeah, it's got a bit more potential than that previous one. So I'll take a few shots now and wait for the sun to do its bit. Well, what the hell is that? Okay, this is creepy now. So it's down there in the valley behind me. Is it a dog? Is it a deer? I don't know. Anyway, as you can see, the sun's come out. Kind of ruined my shot, to be honest. See behind me, it's way too bright now. I think I might just go for a wander and get away from this barking thing, whatever it is. Might be a feral human or something who's just woken up. Oh dear. Time to run, I think. So it's now 8 o'clock. I've left the wood I was in. I can still hear that distant noise from that animal, whatever the hell it was. So I've arrived at a section of Grim's Ditch. Now you remember a couple of videos ago or so, I walked a section of this ditch in a different part of the Chilterns, maybe 3 or 4 miles away from here. But yeah, it's quite an impressive little spot I've got here. This mound in front of me, and then the tree on the right there, just leaning over, just catching the light a little bit. So set up my shot. What have we got? Quarter of a second, f8, ISO 100, 2-second timer, and there we are. So the sun hasn't quite got here yet, so this is what I was hoping for. Just keep moving on through the woods, because at different points the sun hasn't quite reached. I mean, it's an hour after sunrise as well, so yeah, it's just caught that just enough light to be interesting. So I'm going to carry on back down there and see what see what there is. I haven't been here before, so new experience. And it's also good to check out these places because, as you can see, it's still pretty green everywhere. They look like mostly beech trees and oak, and they're usually sort of late to turn in autumn. So if I come back here in about a month, it'll probably be really quite nice. Well, I've done a full circuit, I think, come out the other side, and this side is going towards West Wickham. You can't quite see it in the distance there, but there's a mausoleum on the hill. So I'm going to carry on round and probably go back home, I would imagine. It's way too bright again for any decent shots. But yeah, lovely morning, can't complain. Apart from that weird animal, what the hell was that? Barking away, give me the creeps. Oh, I did pick up my pace a bit when I heard that, I must say. Anyway, if I don't see you again, I shall sign off now. Well, I was almost done, but then I spotted this tree over here, caught by the sun with a background of darkness. So I quickly shot that one with my 100 to 400 Sony lens, G Master. And then these other trees behind me here, just one or two, not caught by the sun yet, obviously because it's behind me. So everyone's out now, joggers, dog walkers. Well, I'll just carry on round and see if there's any other photos to be had. Well, I'm back and I've spotted another nice little composition. It's a bit challenging with this wind because it's blowing the branches. So that's what I was looking at. Some nice colours there. The silver bark of the, looks like a dead tree actually, in front of the nice red leaves, and then some lighter coloured leaves behind it. It's a really nice autumnal scene there. So let's get set up. I want it pretty sharp, so where are we? We're at least about 125th of a second. 7.1, f7.1, 5-second timer. There we go. Should be a nice little shot, that one. Well, that's about all from me, and I'll see you on the next one.